Do you need a flag and Kevlar piece?
Yep. Do I need that?
The keys are right here. Okay.
Yeah. Never shot one?
Not this one.
So when you load it, you're gonna have to press this for it to cycle. Does that make sense? So you can load comp.
How many should I load?
Maybe like they get like 8 rounds. Like I'll just shoot the weapon, put it in there, with it, loading it, unloading it, and then like you don't need to be doing like a robust.
Yeah, hold it, rack it back.
Probably just be all the way.
You gotta hold this button.
I mean that's.
How do you send it forward?
Bro, you still coming? Yeah. Pull it back, hold that. I'm gonna stapler.
Am I good to go downrange and
then the code Connie on your right. I like the Mossbergs better. That's pretty cool. But
Enemy drone in the area. Give alert. And then take your weapon off safe. And then I'll say drone, drone, drone. Shoot. And that's when shooting.
I have no idea where it's going.
Area.
Oh, I mean, there's like, it's like this kind of.
Drone, drone, drone.
It's like maybe this would buck out.
You can't get the shots
bag.
Drone, drone, drone. Enemy drone in the area.
But it will definitely be hot.
Drone, drone, drone. Go! So I'm gonna say hi to the boss while you guys load up. I'll bring him over here. Be ready.
We gotta get this one.
Drone. Both eyes open.
Oh, okay. So this is what I was saying.
enemy drones in the area. Drone. Drone.
Engage with the least amount of movement. That's where it's at. So because
Drone.
I'll be a little behind. Okay.
Drone.
there it is.
Drone.